Hello everyone. So let's have today another quick one regarding the import dialog that is currently available in RybaFIsh. So let's say we have a ping statistics collected in form of CSV file. Let's check what's inside. We have basically some data collected. We have a timestamp of the measurement. We have a host name, second column, and then we have a ping measurement itself. And we have 5,000 something of that. So let's import this into HANA. Let's connect to the database. Let's check what tables do we have already in my local schema. We don't have much. We have one table, but we don't have ping statistics. So let's import it. The import performed basically in 3 steps. First, we need to fill in this area. We can paste data here, or we can import from the file. In this case, we take it from the file. Then we need to prepare the import, because on this step, RybaFIsh will generate the target structure. In this case, you see it's kind of ugly. Column names are wrong because we don't have a header row in the CSV file. So let's create it quickly. Timestamp, host, and ping itself. Let's execute prepare again. The name of the target object inherited from the file name, so ping stats, and we can review the data. It looks as expected, and then we can hit the import. On this step, actual import will be executed. This dialog is not intended to import like massive amounts of data, but if you have a couple of thousand rows, it should work fine. Okay, it's finished. We can close it and check if we have this data. Yeah, we have this table available from ping stats. So that's basically what we wanted to see. Let me show you another approach. Let's say from this. We can take, I don't know, several columns, maybe those, copy it, and then also import. So we can skip this file step. We have 100 rows plus header row. We have a header. Let's prepare. We didn't have a target object name, so let's call it test or something. So we have a structure, the data looks okay. Of course, it doesn't make any sense, but we can copy from, I don't know, one system to another system or something like this. Let's hit import. The import performed successfully. So let's check. So we have this, another test table. So that's basically it. I think it's quite nice to have this dialog to avoid this manual insert and so on. Sometimes it's very useful. But let's quickly switch back to our ping statistics and build a chart of it. So I have already prepared the custom KPI definition. I will provide the link to step-by-step guide how to create regular custom KPI definition. Basically, every regular custom KPI has the same structure. In this case, we are using type host. Because actually this is not HANA data. We don't have any port associated with it. We actually have a host, but it's not HANA host. And that's why this is very important. We have this no filter defined true, because otherwise RybaFIsh will apply host filter on top. And we, in this case, apply filter ourselves. So for this one, it's going to be HANA host, but for the other one, it's just rybafish.net. So let's see how this works. On host level, remember, we have those two custom KPIs. Let's enable first one. We see some data. Another one, we also see some data. So they belong to the same scaling group. It's defined ping. If you paid attention to this, this one, scaling group, microseconds as display unit and sample unit. So that's why we have this microseconds, and we can adjust the scaling. If we adjust it for 1, it's going to be adjusted for the other one because of the scaling group. So that's how it works. And by the way, this network sucks.